you for buying this organizer from Fixture Displays. Dimensions of this unit is 14 inches by 10.4 by 7 inches. This product weighs about 2.3 pounds. And this is the underside. So you have a riser top on the back, and then you have 3 chambers in the front end. Now those spaces you can use as it fits your particular products. This video is just a quick demo to show you different possibilities. In addition to cups and lids, you can definitely put the sauces, syrups, and different elements, condiments for your customers. Any questions, email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. In this 22263 product line, we have many different choices for tabletop organizers. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.